This is an HP laptop that is not booting into Windows. Opening it up and running a diagnostics on the hard drive. Bad sectors observed on the hard drive, because of which it's not able to boot into Windows. Customer agreed for an SSD upgrade. Here we replaced the thermal paste and cleaned the heatsink and the cooling fan. Here we installed the 240 GB SSD and get the Windows and the data transferred on the new drive. Here we are able to boot into Windows and get the Windows updates. And this is a happy laptop ready to get back to its customer. We offer free estimates before the repairs. Are you having any electronic problems? Call Lloyd here at Kalina, Santa Cruz East.